You see, I'm always pained to see people struggle to get simple tasks accomplished. And so from time to time, I'm researching to find better, easier, and even cheaper ways of getting things done. So on this channel of mine, you will see videos that will help you to get things like content creation, writing, marketing done easier, faster, and cheaper. Okay, so this video I'm doing now is going to help you if you are a content creator with regards to YouTube. Okay, to easily come up with description for your video without having to struggle. Okay, I'm going to be using a simple app that most of us have in our phones, but we don't really maximize the usage of it. Okay, there's a feature in it that most people are yet to come to terms with. I mean, content creators, they are yet to come to terms with the fact that this is a game changer in their content creation journey. Okay, so I hope that after this video you will want to maximize using this app, this particular feature in this app. By the way, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, this is the right time to do so. Go ahead to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and after this video, do kindly go ahead and explore mind-blowing videos we have for you on this channel, whether it has to do with running ads, creating content, writing, and the rest of it. Okay, now the app we're going to be using to do the magic that we want to do now is WhatsApp. Are you surprised to know? Let's dive in. So I get to my WhatsApp. I'm using my phone in this case. You can as well use WhatsApp on your desktop, okay? But there's a particular feature there that we will be going for, and it's only available in normal WhatsApp, not in business WhatsApp, okay? At the moment, all right? So I'm going to my normal WhatsApp. And so I'm going to this called Meta AI. You can as well see the icon here. Let me zoom in so you see the icon here. So this is the icon, right? The circle icon there, that's Meta AI. And this is it also here. If I click here, this Meta AI, okay? So that's the feature that we're going to be using for this, okay? Now what we want to do is to create a description for a video, okay? That we have on YouTube, right? Now, let me get to this place and show you some of the video titles I have. Let me pick this one, how to create amazing thumbnails fast using only Canva, okay? So I'll pick it. Let me copy it. That's what I mean by picking it. Okay. Now I'll go to Meta AI. I'll simply, okay, let me just edit this one I have here. Let me copy this one. You see what I have here. I'll paste this one up here. Let me paste it, then you see what is there. So if you read here, it says, make a simple but powerful YouTube SEO description with this text. That's the title to the video. So I'm going to change that title I have there with this now, right? So let me go to where the title started and then adjust it till where it stopped with these parentheses. Then I'll paste the new title. Can you see what I just did now? Okay, so if you get this prompt, you can just use it, edit it, and put in your own title and it will work. Okay, then I said add 5 best relevant hashtags below it. Okay, so let me add below it. Okay, so I'll just hit send. Now look at the magic that this is going to do for me. Can you see the magic? Just in a moment, it came up with a powerful YouTube SEO description just using the title that I gave it. Okay, so let me do for another one. Let me get to paste this, copy this, the prompt again, and paste. And then let's go and get another title because I'm doing 2 videos at once. So let me get here. I'll take this one, TikTok 2025 shocking discovery on using 2 call to action buttons. Yeah, that's a new video I'm about to upload. Remember I told you we handle a lot of things including ad. So what I'll do next is I'll go to where the title started here. Okay, I'll just highlight it till where it stopped. Can you see? And then I'll paste this one. Okay, so the same thing I did before. So what I will now do is to hit send. So automatically it will generate another YouTube SEO description, okay, powerful SEO description that I can use in my video. And if you note down, you see that he also added hashtag, like I said, 5 hashtag. Of course, you know by now, or you should know by now, that when adding hashtags to your description, it should not exceed 6 hashtags, okay? So I want to keep it to 5, okay, so that I don't get to be tempted into getting or adding more than required, okay? So that is how you can quickly come up with a powerful YouTube SEO description that can work for your video. If you like this and you want to get more of such, do hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. By the way, feel free to tell me in the comment section what video you want me to do, and I will see how to go about that. See you in the next video.